Hi, this is Mark from from RLT Trading, and I would like to welcome you to our evening newsletter. First, this quick disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for educational and demonstration purposes only. Everyone should understand that trading involves a substantial amount of risk, and therefore you can potentially lose a lot of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading. Never trade more than you can afford to lose. And those of us here are not registered financial advisors and not licensed commodity trading advisors. Now, the stock market has taken a huge beating today, and I'm not really surprised. It's buy the rumor and sell the news. As far as I'm concerned, the rumor was was holding interest rates steady for a significant period of time. Yesterday we had a nice rally into the Fed announcement. I sold off 4 positions, all between a 75 and 110% profit. Mattel, BlackBerry, MJ, which is an ETF that focuses in on alternative sources of energy, and we closed Cleveland Cliffs for an enormous profit. So we sold into the strength. So we did obviously lose money today, but only a fraction of what we could have potentially lost. Now, in order to bring the market into better focus and to see what are the most resilient stocks we have and the ones likely to bounce the strongest once this market bottoms out, here at Rightline we created a brand new stock sector, and we call it the subscription-based model stock sector. Now, obviously, there are very many ways a company can create profit through advertising, through direct contractual agreements. Another way is on a subscription-based service. And all of us know how powerful that is. I mean, we want to look at companies in which the stickiness factor is just amazingly high. Once you become a member and you become a recurring billing subscriber, the likelihood of you dropping that service just becomes incredibly low. And in addition, it's such a powerful brand that it's likely to expand. Now, these are the companies that we believe are the ones that are most resilient. They're going to, like I said, they're going to bounce back the fastest, and they are a Rightline Trading sector. If I had the ability to create an ETF, that would be the ETF that I would call it. I would call it the Rightline Trading ETF, subscription-based model stock sector. First and foremost, I like is Shopify. Now, Shopify, I have a subscription for. I'm sorry, I put up the wrong ticker. Is Spotify right here. Now you can see that Spotify is down an amazing amount, and I have a subscription with Spotify, and let me tell you, I'm never leaving. You build multiple playlists. You spend an inordinate amount of time doing it. The recurring fee is very small. You know, obviously they're going to inch it up 50 cents to $1 a month. You kind of look upon it as inconsequential. You become a member of Shopify, and Shopify is winning the war. It is killing Apple Music. This stock, which is down from about 387.44 all the way down to 265, is going to come flying back. That is our subscription-based model stock number 1. Subscription-based model number 2 is TripAdvisor's. I mean, this is really a powerful stock. It is so diversely involved in the vacation travel arena, in such a different, offering such a differing array of products, that it is simply a stellar way to leverage, the whole business. Now, they have a subscription-based model, and you can see we really missed out on the big move up. I mean, look at this stock. I mean, TripAdvisor, when it first came on my radar, was around $37 a share. I didn't at the time respect the power of the subscription-based model. Now it's pulled back quite a bit, from $64.99 to $58. Now, that's not much, given the size of the pullback the overall market has made. You can see how resilient this stock is. Let me tell you, this may be the best pullback you're ever going to see, because TripAdvisor's is extremely strong. Once you become a member, you get tremendous advantages on travel, and a whole vast array of products and services that are travel related. You are not going to drop your subscription. Tremendous stickiness, recurrent revenue, and they are unique, as far as I know, in this niche. They are going to go out and capture the world, and TripAdvisor is my number 2 stock in my right line trading subscription-based ETF. Now, I did put up Shopify first. I wanted to put it up last. Also, for all intents and purposes, subscription-based. When you create a Shopify-based store, or you use Shopify as your payment gateway, you're not going. And Shopify gets you coming and going. They charge you a monthly subscription fee, and they take a percentage of every sale that you make. I mean, that is really hitting you up four ways from Tuesday. And they have taken an enormous pullback from $1,500 all the way down to about $1,100. That's a $400 pullback in price. No one's left. They still have the same subscriber base. They're probably churning out the same, if not more, retail products than ever before. Their revenue is going to grow, and this is a terrific opportunity. Shopify is a very, very expensive stock. If you can't afford it, you can leverage it with a very long-term options position. This is a great opportunity to get in on a stellar pick in the right line trading ETF of subscriber-based stocks. So we have Shopify, we have TripAdvisors, and we have, I'm sorry, let me open my ticker because it's the end of the day. We have TripAdvisors, and we have Spotify. All of these stellar stocks, growing, revenue base expanding. Get these on this pullback. Hopefully, listen, I have a lot of open options positions. Even though I cashed out of 4, I have a diversified portfolio of options. The only way to make money in the options arena is to buy on weakness and sell into strength. This is great weakness and is offering us great buying opportunities. If we get sheepish and stand aside because our portfolio is bled a little bit, we're never going to become profitable options traders, no matter how much book reading you do. The practical way that you trade options is a little bit like chess. You have to outmaneuver the market. Now tomorrow, I'm going to tell you in my newsletter the most profitable stock to trade to leverage the 5G buildup, and it has nothing to do with any cell phone based company. So listen, have a great evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow evening. Have a great night, and have a great dinner.